Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Usually before I start an online lesson, or a lesson in a bricks and mortar classroom, to be honest, I like to get to class a little bit early and chat to my students about what they've been up to. This morning, one of my students confessed that she was still half asleep, and she admitted that this was because she'd been up until 3 o'clock in the morning, watching a whole season of a TV series that she'd fallen in love with, called Behind Her Eyes. She said that she started watching around 8 o'clock in the evening and watched one episode, thought it was so amazing that she'd just watch one more, and at the end of that one she was gripped and she decided to watch one more, and then one more, and then one more, and before she knew it she'd basically binge-watched the entire series. If you binge watch something, you watch one episode after another, after another, after another. It's a kind of marathon viewing session. You can also binge on things when you do more of something that you enjoy than you probably should, or when you consume more of something that you enjoy than you probably should. So maybe while you're binge watching TV, you might be binging on ice cream or binging on chocolate. You can also binge drink when you go out and drink huge amounts, maybe at the weekend, after not drinking for a few days. Binge can be a noun as well, so you can go on a 3-day drinking binge. Or once lockdown ends, you can go on an epic spending binge. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things you've binge watched or other kinds of binges that you've maybe been on.